In this video, we will be introducing you some new feature of Trado and some updates also. Now let's log in with your broker credentials. Okay, the first update is now you can log in with normal TOTP or TOTP token key. Whatever you give, if you have given this 32 digit TOTP token key, it will take this. Okay, and again you have to don't write this. Or if you want to log in with your 6-digit auto generated TOTP key, then you can simply write that 6-digit also. It will take automatically. You don't have to worry about it. But every login you have to give this 6-digit OTP token key again and again. Okay, so take care of this. Now let's log into the broker. Okay, first feature which we have given is BTO order. Okay, now let's explore this BTO order. What is this BTO order? Then we will take some live demonstration also. Okay, uh, now see, in BTO feature, it's a broker terminal order. Okay, it means when you enable this BTO feature, what it does is it simply sends your target or SL as a pending order to the broker terminal. It will only send one order. It will not send your both target or SL to the broker because of margin shortfall. Okay, because of margin shortfall, it will not send both. That's why it will send only one, either target or SL. Okay, let's see all these three conditions. Okay, when see what happened in BTO order is when you enable this predefined target SL, whatever points you have set in this, okay, that point considers as a your target and SL, and it will send that target SL to the broker. That order will send to your broker as a limit order. Okay, let's see the three condition of this BTO. If predefined SL is on enable, in that case it will send only your predefined SL order to the as a pending order to the broker. Okay, if predefined target is enabled, okay, only target is enabled, in that case it will send your target order to the broker as a pending order, right? If you have opened this both predefined target and predefined SL, both, if both are open, in that case it will send only your predefined SL as a pending order to the broker. As we have given SL to more priority, so it will send only SL target to your broker. And some disadvantage of your this BTO order is this target and SL will not automatically get trailed. Okay, for trailing you need to trail manually by editing your orders from pending orders. From pending orders you can edit your whatever pending orders you have, you can edit your orders from pending. Okay, now let's see the live demonstration of this feature. Let's go to the broker terminal. Okay, here we will see the live demonstration. We will place some orders and we will verify it from here. Okay, now all set. See, my BTO feature is enabled. I will take trade in Sensex. Okay, simply place order in call strike price, like I will place 10 points target SL. Simply buy. See, I buy it. See, my order got executed at 69.40. Okay, see, I have enabled this both target and SL. That's why it sends only SL. Okay, and if I want to edit this order, simply what I will do, I will go to the pending order, edit section, and I can edit it anywhere. See, I can do it to market order and exit it. Okay, see, if I open only this target, predefined target, then it will send my target order to the broker. See, I bought at 73, my target is at 83.95. And if I want to edit this order, I will simply go to the pending order, edit section, then I can do anything. I can make it to upside or downside anywhere. If I place it to market order and simply modify it, it will exit my order. See, it exited my order. Okay, it will not automatically trail your orders. For automatically trailing your orders, you can use normal predefined target as well. Okay, because here we already have sent this order to the broker, so modifying this order will take time. That's why we are not doing it currently. In future maybe we will do. Okay, if you open this only SL1, then in this case, if you buy it, say if I buy, it sends an order at 75 and my SL is at 64.70. Okay, if I want to exit this order, simply I will edit this order. Say I will make it to market price and modify. See, my order got executed. Okay, and the last update I want to give you here is, and now you can select your strike price from here also. If you click on this strike price, a drop down box will open. From here also you can select your strike prices. Okay, and after selecting your strike price, you should click outside of this box to make it in focus. Okay, click anywhere. See, now all other features which we have given, that we will be explaining you in other videos. Okay, thank you.